Colombo in Sri Lanka. And I'm going to take you around the city and show you more interesting things you can see in Colombo yourself. So let's go. So right now we are in the middle of one of the busiest streets in Colombo, and there's so much stuff happening here right now. There's a lot of shops, a lot of markets, and it's located right by the Peta markets. So right behind me we have the Jami ul Alfar Mosque. It's actually the Muslim mosque. We're going to go there right now, but as you can see from here, this mosque looks absolutely beautiful. It's red and it's got white colors as well, and it just looks so nice. And what's crazy is that it's in the middle of this crazy busy road, and right now we're going to find the entry to this mosque and go and explore it. So we are inside the mosque right now. As you can see, I have to wear these kind of clothes because I'm a woman, and Josh is wearing his normal clothes because he's a guy, and Narella is just chilling over here. So this is the inside of the mosque, and we are only able to stay in this courtyard right here. We're not allowed to go anywhere else, but as you can see, the architecture of this building is basically white and red bricks connected together, and it looks absolutely beautiful. You have so many different floors. I think it's about 6 floors going up, and it's super amazing. Over there men are doing prayers, and there's a bathtub as well, and we are just admiring the view from this location. Another location of Colombo, and this one is by the seaside, and this area is called the Galle Face. The reason we are going here is because we heard there's a lot of street food markets over there, and we really want to try the local food, so that's why we're going that way now. Finally arrived at the seaside. The water is looking absolutely beautiful, and from what I know, the street food is just that way. In Sri Lanka, there's a raining season. We just arrived to a raining season, and we don't really have any clothes for the raining season. And I think it's actually going to rain in a minute because I just saw a lightning and the sky looks really cloudy. So we are currently just having a quick sit down because the food that we came to see, the street food, is actually not ready yet. It's nothing here, but I think something will be happening soon. I think we're just basically too early. So we're just chilling with Arella, just making sure she has some nice time as well. Not just in the carrier all the time, but just chilling. And she's enjoying it so far. Arella? Rappa! Yay!
We're at Galle Face now. We're lucky that we stayed back because we nearly almost gave up. We're actually looking for Nana street food that we've been hearing about everywhere. And we couldn't find it anywhere here in Galle Face, so we almost gave up because it was about to rain. And then we actually seen the sign. They were actually just setting up, they weren't ready yet, but we've decided to stay back. It's raining a little bit, and hopefully we get some good food.
Arella! Bravo! Bravo! Oh my gosh. So we literally got stuck in the rain. Luckily, we are sitting and we're waiting for food. So we didn't come here. Oh my gosh, Arella's screaming. She's so excited because there's so many people here. She just wants attention. I think she's hungry because she's moaning a lot. Are you hungry? You hungry? I think she's definitely hungry. So our food has just arrived. We got this fried rice over here, and we got this proper Sri Lankan dish called vegetable kotha, stuff like that. And we also have some naan bread, and we're gonna try it right now. And Bella is snacking on her cucumber over here. She's super hungry, so finally we got food. So let's dig in. So this is the first time me trying this. Let's see what it's like. It's actually really good. So this dish is pretty much just naan bread chopped into pieces and mixed with different vegetables and spices, and it's actually really good. What do you think?
10 out of 10.
Good morning, everybody. It's another day in Colombo, and today we are actually going to the city center because there's supposed to be a lot of stuff there. We need to go to the supermarket, we need to see some temples and just explore the city center. Let's see if we can find any tuk-tuks nearby who might be interested to take us to the city center. Buddhist temple in Colombo, and it's called Gangaramaya Temple. If you can hear the noises, obviously something's happening, so we are probably lucky to be here and find out what's happening. So far it's looking super amazing, loads of those little statues, everything's happening, so we're gonna go right now. Got our ticket ready, 600 rupees for 2 people, which is pretty good. A little bit tired. She had enough being in a carrier, so we took her out. Now we're gonna walk around with her like this. And we finally have found the famous Buddha faces of the temple. I don't know how many there is, but each row has about 6, 7. So imagine there's like 6 rows going up. We just found the hair of the Supreme Buddha, and it's literally just over there, little mini hair. So this is another bit of the temple that we just been through, but this one is by the lake, and it's also very famous in Colombo and across Sri Lanka. So I think we have to go this way. So let's go. Literally about 10 minutes walk away from the temple, we have arrived to another destination, which is this park. It's called the Haneda Park, as far as I remember. And this park has many different things. It's supposed to have a Buddha statue, it's supposed to have a natural museum, and it's just supposed to be a nice park. So we're gonna go in and check it out. Rella got literally knocked out after this adventure. She's sleeping, and I think she's pretty comfy because she's just in this carrier, and it seems to be quite comfortable.
About 15 minutes ago she was talking out loud and shouting, but I think that's her way of what she does before she goes down for a nap. So yeah.
And we are just entering the park right now, and as you can see, it's just a massive park with benches, with random stuff, and I can actually see horses over there. Just getting closer to the horses, and we realized there's a little pony. Look, there's a little pony. Unfortunately, it's starting to rain right now. I don't know what that means for a journey. Maybe we're gonna have to go back, or maybe we're just gonna stay here and have a look around. This is a beautiful tree. I'm not sure the name of it, but it looks so nice. We can just about to reach it, and it's just wow, amazing. It's really tough. Oh my goodness, just like little bits stuck together. which is super cool. Here we are, the statue of the Buddha, golden Buddha. Unfortunately, it's raining right now, so it kind of sucks because we wanted to take you around this whole day rain-free. However, we are in Sri Lanka and it's kind of rainy season and we have to expect the reality. Buddha looks absolutely beautiful. It's gold with elephants in the middle of the park. So we are actually going to skip the museum as it's across this whole park and it started to rain and Arella is a little baby and we have to take her home to rest for a bit until it stops raining. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, but we're just looking for another tuk-tuk and trying to get another meter one again. We'll see how that goes. And that is it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know there wasn't a lot to see in Colombo, but trust me, there is far more things than I already showed you. I do have a baby, a travel baby, so my travel is more family related, taking my time slow and trying to see as much as possible. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right now. And apart from that, I'll see you soon.